Hey guys, this is Rick Hodge here, and this is going to be a video review for Mike Alton's mobile marketing product. Now, the cool thing about this is Mike's been in this business for over 20 years. It's called Go Mobile USA. It's on his, I'm looking over here at his sales thread right now. Bottom line, he's been doing this for over 20 years. He's been on the Warrior Forum for 20 years. I mean, he's been in this since the 90s on the Warrior Forum. He's been in communications for over 20 years. You don't need anything else after you get this system. Get this system. Yes, it's got a one-time offer. It's got upgrades. But you don't really need that if you're just getting started. You can truly get the first part of this system right here. Yes, I've got a review copy of it. Yes, I like what I see. I've also created a product called on mobile marketing. It was how to get in the front door. But I didn't have the technical part of it. I didn't know how to do the SMS services. I didn't know how to do the texting, the mobile setup services. This has got all of that inside of it. So if you're looking for a way to make money with text messaging and marketing, mobile marketing in your area with local clients, this is it, guys. This is my video review for Mike Alton's product. I hope you like it, and have a good day. Take advantage of this right away, folks. Bye.